Namaste. I'm Pranay. I'm Sheetal's vice president.
Okay, please come in.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Sheetal is not there.
Oh, okay, no problem.
She's my wife.
Oh, namaste.
Namaste.
Nice meeting you.
Please have a seat.
Thank you. I live in Banjara Hills.
Okay.
I was just passing by, so I thought of meeting you.
Oh, I see. Sheetal has gone out with her friends.
Oh, nice chai. Thank you. Sheetal is a very hard-working girl in our company. She's a very disciplined and traditional girl. I always tell my mom about Sheetal. So I came here to tell you that I'm interested in Sheetal and I want to marry her. Well, my mom and dad are doctors in the US and I'm an MBA graduate. So I thought I would tell you first.
Actually, we don't know anything about this. First, we'll talk to Sheetal and then we'll let you know.
Oh, sure. Okay.
Okay.
I'll see you later. Thank you.
Thank you.
Namaste. Namaste.
पहले ही बोल रहा हूँ देखो बाद में किरकिरी नहीं होना जो भी है ठीक से करो समझे
नमस्ते यादव अन्ना
क्या रे रमेश
अरे अन्ना अल्लू बोलो यार मुझे सुन लेंगे
अरे उसको सुनने नहीं आता रे
क्या अन्ना प्रणय अन्ना मिल गया ना
प्रणय बोले तो कौन की रोचक आ गया ना रे
मर गया अन्ना बोला हाँ मेरे को मार देते अन्ना
अरे चुप कुछ नहीं होता तेरे को उसको कुछ भी नहीं मालूम पहले जैसा था वैसी रहे
ठीक है अन्ना ठीक है
कैसा भाग गया रे
I was talking to them very politely, like Indian.
So, what did Sheetal's parents say?
They said they'll talk to Sheetal and let me know.
That's good. That's a positive sign.
Oh, is it?
You don't worry. Everything will be all right.
Do you think it's going to work out?
Sure, it'll work out. Look at Rochak. He's having great fun in Goa with Tanya.
Yeah. Oh, man, he's here, back from Goa. Cool. Wait, what happened? What happened, Rochak?
What happened?
What's going on?
I was kidnapped last night.
What?
What are you talking about?
Look, last night I came back from the pub and I went to sleep. And I woke up tied up to a chair in a dark room. There were 5 guys who kidnapped me. I think it was someplace near that Jubilee Hills.
Come on, Rochak. You said that you were going to Goa with Tanya.
Oh yeah? I didn't go to Goa. I was kidnapped. Believe it or not.
How did this happen?
Where's Ramesh?
Why?
Ramesh is behind this.
Oh, come on. What are you talking about?
Yes, your cousin Ramesh is behind this kidnap.
Why would he do that?
I don't know. It was not me. It was you who was supposed to get kidnapped.
Come on, I can't believe this.
Oh yeah? Look at this picture. I flicked this from the gang.
These pictures were missing from my bag.
Trust me. They plan to take 5 lakhs as ransom from my mom.
Shit, you saw Ramesh there?
No. But I heard them talking to him about the kidnapping.
Shit, this is too much.
Oh yeah? Do you know what their next plan is?
What?
They plan to kidnap both of us for a ransom of 10 lakhs.
Oh shit. Prasad, let's go to police.
Yeah.
Yo, Prasad.
No, I'm just thinking which way.
Which way? Only one way. Let's go to the police.
अच्छा, तो रमेश है इसके पीछे.
Yeah.
Do you know the place where they put you up?
Somewhere near Jubilee Hills.
तो रमेश को मालूम पड़ा है कि तुम लोग कहाँ जा रहे, क्या कर रहे.
Yeah, exactly.
तो एक काम करो प्रसाद, तुम इन लोगों को ऐसी जगह लेके जाओ जहाँ पे बिल्कुल ओपन प्लेस हो. और ये बात रमेश को मालूम होना चाहिए. रमेश ये बात किडनैपर्स को बिल्कुल बोलेगा. किडनैपर्स जैसे वहाँ पे पहुँचेंगे, हमारे लोग जो मफ्टी में वहाँ पे होंगे उनके ऊपर अटैक करके अरेस्ट कर लेंगे. इस तरीके से बहुत इजी है उनको पकड़ना. उनके पीछे भागे तो बहुत टाइम वेस्ट होता. डोंट वरी, हम लोग तुम लोगों के साथ है. बट रिमेंबर वन थिंग, जब भी आप लोग घर से बाहर निकलते हम लोगों को इन्फॉर्म कर देना. ओके?
Yeah, it's a good idea.
आई नो हाउ इट वर्क्स इन हैदराबाद. यहाँ पे काम जरा दूसरे तरीके से करना पड़ता है. सो यू आर फ्रॉम विच प्लेस इन अमेरिका?
He and I are from New Jersey.
Okay. My brother is also from America. He's a software professional. He's in San Francisco.
Oh, okay.
Don't worry, Hyderabad police will take care.
Okay, Srinivas. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Okay, don't worry.
Yeah, bye.
Thank you very much.
Bye.
असल तुम्हारे कलों क्या बेटा
Guess you got out of the mess with the old city guys.
Yeah, they got it very bad, I guess.
Well, they only talk. They can do half of the things that they say.
Yeah.
I think you know more about Hyderabad now.
Yeah, you do.
What do you think of yourself? You came to my house without my knowledge with a marriage proposal? Who do you think you are? You think I love you? No.
Sheetal, it's not like that.
My parents have misunderstood me. They ask about you every single day. And what am I supposed to say? You created a complete hell in my house. My parents lost trust in me.
Sheetal, please listen to me first.
You keep quiet. Let me finish. We Indian girls are not like what you NRIs think, okay? We are well brought up and go according to our parents' lifestyle. You all listen to me carefully. We girls have a good life and enjoy work. Please don't screw it up for us. Pranay, you hurt me really bad. I hate you. I hate you, Pranay. I hate you.
Sheetal, please listen to me. Sheetal.
Pranay, don't worry. Things will be all right. Go home, take rest, and I'll see you tomorrow. I hurt her. I made a mistake.
Come on, Sheetal, don't be so sad.
Sheetal, please.
It's okay, Sheetal. It's okay. Please.
Rono matre, Sheetal. Come on, yeah.
I'm really sorry, Sheetal, about what Pranay did.
Actually, I told Pranay to go to your house and talk to your parents.
Prasad, how can you do this?
Sheetal, I know Pranay. He really loves you, honestly. He just doesn't know how to express it. You said one day to him that you'd marry someone of your parents' choice. He thought that if your parents agreed, you'd agree too. He didn't mean to hurt your parents. And Sheetal, it's not that we NRIs think differently. We think just like you do. Maybe we're born and grew up in different countries. But we're Indians just like you. And I always wanted to marry a girl from India. Someone as loving, as caring as his mother, who talks about India all the time. I know him. He's my only buddy. According to me, Pranay didn't commit a mistake by talking to your parents. In fact, he did a good thing. And that shows that he honestly loves you. That's all I have to say, Sheetal.
Don't worry, Sheetal. Everything will be all right.
Ramesh, here is a 50,000 rupees check, okay? Please stop doing bad things and start some good business. Thank you for all, Ramesh. Good luck, okay?
Where going, Anna?
Back home to the US. Bye.
Okay. Okay, bye. Rochak, Ramesh called up saying Pranay is leaving to the US now.
What? Pranay, what are you doing, dude? We can fix this.
Dude, thanks. Some things in your life you can fix, so leave it to time. Remember when we first came to India? I said you would be the first one to go back to US. I was wrong. It's me.
Dude, things can be worked out. Listen, we can talk to Sheetal, okay?
No, dude. I hurt Sheetal. I hurt her.
Dude, listen.
Take care, Rochak. Bye.
Dude, listen.
What happened?
I know Pranay. He's very sensitive. He's gone.
भावना, तुमको ये मालूम है
क्या?
प्रणय है ना?
हाँ।
अमेरिका चले गया।
अरे कब चला गया?
अरे कल शाम को।
ओह।
वेरी सैड नो। मैं उन लोगों के बारे में कितना गलत समझा रे। हमारे प्रसाद है ना, उन लोगों के बारे में पूरा एक्सप्लेन किया। आजकल इतना प्यार करने वाला लड़का मिलना बहुत मुश्किल है रे। हमारे शीतल कितना लकी है रे, पर क्या करती बेचारी।
Oh, hi, Sheetal.
What are you doing here? I thought you were gone.
I never left, Sheetal. I'm really sorry for what happened.
They said you left for US.
What I did was wrong. No, actually, it's right. Because I really love you, I want to marry a girl like you.
You could have told me first at least.
I was trying to do that, but this Prasad stopped me. And, you know, you're looking so beautiful. Wow.
Hey Pranay, what the hell? How did you come back?
What do you mean? The porter, I paid him $500 to get me out of there.
You paid him $500?
Yeah.
Dude, you're supposed to pay $200.
Oh, shit.
How come you paid him $500?
Come on, man. Don't behave like a Hyderabadi, okay? He's happy to be back.
Okay.
Come on, guys. Let's have a party.
ये अन्ना लड़के हैं ना, हमारी लड़कियों को ऐसा पटा लिया।
Come on.
Stop it, Lakshmi.
You know, Pranay and Rochak promised me a nice NRI match, and I'll marry only NRI.